Hi, I'm Anita from Coast of Maine Organic Soils, and we're here today at my house, and I'm going to talk to you a few seconds about my favorite plant to grow, the habanero pepper. Look at this plant. This is one plant that I bought at my local garden center in the spring. I put it in a pot with my bag of Bar Harbor organic potting soil, and it has been providing me with fruit for the last month. These orange fruits are spicy, but they're imparting a really nice fruity heat. One of the things I love to make with my habanero peppers is habanero simple syrup. All this is a 1-to-1 ratio of sugar and water, a few habanero peppers. I keep this in the refrigerator. I use it to mix cocktails. So I like to take a little bit of this syrup, be careful because it's very hot, put it in my shaker, add a couple of peaches, some mint from my garden, another good use for your herbs, and then of course a splash of vodka, a little lemon juice, and I shake this up with some ice. This is a fabulous sound. You like that? And then I take it and I put it in a cocktail glass, and then I decorate it with a little bit of mint flower. Cheers. A delicious summer cocktail with a little spice that will keep you healthy all fall and winter long.